I used to make a lot of rice salads back in the day in health retreats. I used to use purple rice, red rice. I used orange rice once, wild rice. I used to mix them with bolotti beans. I used to make them with lentils, salads, like so many different salads we used to make. And I used to love them, to be honest. This salad, I'm using a jar of artichokes, which I'm just wringing out the water that's in them. And I'm using edamame beans, frozen. Okay, and I'm using some beautiful fresh snow peas. And the whole point of this salad is the rice. And my friend Wira, who's behind the camera over here, just told me that this rice is from Tabanan in Bali. It's the only place in Bali, Wira said, that grows red rice, which I'm so grateful for that. Google Tabanan. This is like the most easiest dish you can make to take to a barbecue. You can take to any kind of potluck dinner, or if you're having friends over and you're having, you know, just a day with mates and you want some salad, this is a great recipe. And I've got some really nice, yummy, Moorish roasted almonds here. And these can be any nut or seed, but roasting them gives me more flavour, and it just, oh my God, full of flavour in its natural state. It just really brings home its own consciousness, you know what I mean? Like, we're so used to having food drowned out in flavour. And when you just have it, when you just take a nibble of the rice on its own, chewy, nutty, just full of flavour. And then I have a nut. Welcome to my world. The rice, oh my God, it's just gorgeous. So just cutting these up roughly. I need some olive oil, which I have here. It's a really simple salad. And I have a lime and a lemon. These limes have seeds. Very common here in Bali, not common in Australia at all. I have never seen a lime with seeds in Australia. I mean, lemons, yeah, all day long, but limes, no. Just want to add a little bit of salt and pepper to this. I want to add a little bit of maple. It's like a teaspoon of maple. And I just want to shake this up, get it all emulsified. Okay, have a taste. Oh, yum, that's delicious. I do want to add salt and pepper. And my water is boiling. So add your edamame to some boiling water. Get the lid back on so it comes up to the boil. I'm going to tumble in my snow peas. Now I'm going to turn off the heat. This is how quick it is. Because I'm not into cooking the snow peas. Just into blanching them just like that. Well, actually blanching is going from really, really hot water and straining it straight away and then plunging it into ice water with lots of ice in it. I want to keep the heat of this and allow that to just do that residual cooking situation. Add your rice to the bowl. Shake that dressing up, put it over the rice so it soaks in. Artichokes. The almonds. Give this a really good stir. That is it. I love it. I hope you love this. This has just been like, I can't wait to eat it. It's gonna be my lunch. This is the most incredible rice I've ever had in my life. It's yellow and fragrant. It's from Indonesia. It has the most incredible story. This is incredible. So all you're gonna do, I've got some beautiful organic Indonesian GMO-free rice. You need a cup of this. I'm using a rice cooker. I know, right? I'm stoked. So I need rice in there. This is so cool. I've got some lemongrass, which I urge everybody to grow a nice shrub of it, and it's just in the garden. It's fantastic. Yeah. Okay, watch me, watch me.
just tied into a knot, just like this. Straight into there. And then I'm gonna get a couple of cloves of garlic. Just gonna smash them, take the skins off, straight into here. Got a little bit of salt. Building blocks of flavour, very important. And now I've got some turmeric juice.
Some powder?
No.
No, okay.
So watch me.
Yeah.
Got like 3 tablespoons of the juice.
Right.
Coconut milk. Super important. Where am I? Coconut milk. Oh, can you smell it already? It's amazing. Gonna put 2 cups of coconut milk in. Look at that yellow colour. That lemongrass just kind of sits there. Push play, walk away. And this is just a beautiful way to bring it home to our tables in Australia. So I'm just gonna I want to keep that to put that on top. So I'm just gonna take, oh look at that little brown bit, I love that on the bottom actually. I'm just gonna take this, just celebrating a culture that is quite divine, peaceful, and really, really calm. And this rice reminds me of that and its people. Let me know what your thoughts are on a Balinese yellow rice called nasi kuning. Vegan Mexican rice. I know, right? You're probably thinking to yourself, how is that possible? Especially when we know vegan food as being flavorless, right? Like flavorless. And this was taught to me by this amazing woman at a fasting retreat, and this is a really cool story. So this is from this amazing woman, Brenda, for you at home. So I got some garlic, whole garlic, chilies, doesn't matter what chili, it's up to you. Long chilies that don't have so much heat in them, short chilies that are like a pocket rocket, doesn't matter, it's up to you. Fresh tomato, the riper the better, red capsicum, cumin, coriander, and smoky paprika, all ground down. Diced onion, and I've got some basmati rice and some water, and that's it. Light your oven till about 180, so nice and hot. Paper on a tray. Garlic, chilies, whole, yeah, do it whole. You can chop them if you want to, but I'm just gonna do it whole. And then I've chopped up the incredible capsicum, no oil, nothing, straight into the oven. And I reckon D, maybe 20 minutes. All right, yep. 20 minutes it is. This has cooled down beautifully. What you're gonna do is take those little stalks off the chilies and straight into the blender. Blending it until it's completely smooth. Done. This is the next step. Get this nice and hot, not smoky, just hot. So a nice splash of olive oil. Straight into here, along with your rice, I know, right? And we're just gonna stir this probably for the next, I don't know, 10 to 15 minutes so it gets nice and golden brown. And how it gets brown is those beautiful sugars from the onion comes out and it makes it go brown. It's just delicious. So I'm flicking it around. I mean, really, us chefs, we tend to just move shit around, you know? Like, and the reason why is because it controls the heat, you know? Making sure everything's in. All right, next is that gorgeous smoky paprika. Oh my God, it's delicious. Christina, poke your head over here and have a look at the colour. Look at that.
Oh, it's lovely.
Isn't it?
It's rich.
It's really rich. And now comes the seasoning of all things, salt and pepper. It's the building blocks of flavour. And then we're going to add this glory into here. I'm going to turn off the heat. Okay, mix that around. That stove is off. The glory into this amazing clay pot. Getting every last bit of flavour. Now I'm thinking to myself, is like, what is this going to taste like? Because in Indonesia, a lot of Indonesians cook with clay, right, on the fire, and it has this really beautiful scent that comes through. So I'm kind of like hoping. Okay, lid on. Dee, how do I do this? Come on, mate. So close the door, yeah?
Did he come for the rescue?
Thank you, mate. What do I do? Push that?
Not yet, Chef.
Okay, right.
So first things first, turn this on.
Oh, wow.
All right, so over here, because it's like a normal rice, as you see, this is cooking rice, slow cook, and then you can change the hour and minute. Okay, once this is turned on, and then just click start, then it's gonna do the magic.
That's it. That's all you do.
That's it. And then just leave it.
All right, amazing. Okay, all right, we'll see you later. See you in like 30 minutes. How many minutes?
45 minutes.
45 minutes. This is so fluffy. Oh my God, it's amazing. Dee, do you want to try this?
Yes,
oh my
absolutely.
God, the spice is incredible. It's actually got that really intense spice there. And you know what? I just want to decorate it because I can. Hey, I've made Mexican rice. You're going to love it. Oh my God, come on. Come on, and some flowers. It might be a little bit spicy for you, but wait, I'm going to get you a spoon. Stay there. No, you don't need anything. You just need a spoon. It might be a little bit spicy for you, Phil, so go on the try a little bit. Let's just try a little bit.
Anyone wants to try? Come in.
Oh my God. I've just got that little bit of spice. Whoa, that's spice. That is so good.
It's yummy. I can handle that.
Really?
Yeah.
You've come a long way, mate.
Yeah, definitely. I'll have some more. You contact us.
Wow.
Oh shit,
The eaters here.
Man, this is so good.
this is so good.
Okay.